Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel What is MrRoy. Today I want to focus only the students of IBA-Sukker who are under zero semester and are going to give the maths examination from the additional maths book. Thank you so much for your response that you are watching my video, and I am very grateful to God that I'm able to help you out and I can satisfy you. Thank you so much. So, what I have decided for you before starting this question number 28, I would like to say something about this uh, zero semester that I know the syllabus. One student sent me like complete syllabus of IBA-Sukker, like zero semester. So don't worry about it. I have the syllabus, so I can work on it. So what I'm going to do now, that in my YouTube playlist, you can find like a folder with the name of zero semester, so that you can find all the related videos of your related topics syllabus there. So let's start this question number 28. So please, thank you so much once again, zero semester students who are watching. And let's start with question number 28. This 28 is not like easy question, but there's a trick to do this question. First of all, I will write this given question like fx minus f of x minus 1 is equals to 3x square minus 5x. This is identical. Okay, one more thing here. You find a cubic polynomial fx has a factor. One factor is x. This is very important term I want to show you. What is cubic polynomial? When you write f of x, cubic means you have two situations. You have one factor here like x minus alpha. Let me write first. And you write ax square plus bx and plus c. So according to this question, when the one factor is x, I will write here only x, one factor, and this is quadratic factor. So it means I will write with this ax square plus bx and plus c. So first of all, this is our actual like equation, this cubic equation, cubic polynomial. One factor is given, which is x, which we know already. This fact, the quadratic factors are not given. Okay, let's start. Uh, by substituting a suitable value. Okay, first of all, what do you need actually? The first part here is we have a trick actually here. Show that fx has a factor x plus 1. Okay, it means when x plus 1 means uh, x plus 1 equal to 0 and x is equals to minus 1. So f of minus 1 has a factor means 0. This is the condition. But one thing in this question, if I write here in this question, if I write here f of 0, suppose f of 0. If I write 0 here, this will be 0. I'm writing here f of 0. Then I write here 0. And ax square, even I write 0 or not, the whole value will become 0. So f of 0 is equal to 0, and thus this we have to keep it in our mind. Okay, f0 is 0. Okay, if I write here x is equals to 0, here 0, and we know f0 is 0. Okay, if I write x is equal to 0, this is 0, and when I put x equal to 0 here, this will become minus 1. And what we need, we have to find minus 1. Yeah, we have to find minus 1 because show that x plus 1 factor means I have to put f equals to minus 1. So I do not need to put f equals to minus 1. I have to put 0 to get f equals like minus 1 here. Like if I put 0 here, I write here 0, 0. Let's see. This is 0 and this is 0. Now, whenever, like what you have done, you have substituted x equal to 0. So, okay, at all the points, you have to write 0. F0, we have already done F0 is 0 because of this condition. So this is 0 minus, what's the result here? Only minus 1. This is 0. This is also 0. This is negative. Make it positive, shifting in right hand side. So, it's proved. Like when we substitute f, like x equals to minus 1, it's a factor. And factor means remainder is 0. So we have proved one thing. The first thing we have done, that f minus 1 remainder is coming 0. We have done the first case. Okay. Moving to part 2. In the second part, they ask, but leaves the remainder of minus 8 when divided by x plus 2. Okay, x plus 2 means, I will write x plus 2 equal to 0, x equals to minus 2. So I need f minus 2 to find. I need f minus 2, f minus 2. Like, look at this. Look at this. I will not write x equals to minus 2. No. X equals to, if I write, okay, f minus 1 is given now. F minus 1, we have two values. F of 0 is 0 and f of minus 1 is 0. We have two values now. Okay. What value should I write here to get minus 2? Minus 2. How can I get minus 2 here? Minus 2. Minus 1 is already there. I need to put x equals to minus 1. If I write minus 1, this will become minus 1 is minus 2 automatically. So now, once again, fx. I will write minus 1. First of all here, minus 1 minus f. Here, minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is equals to 3 minus 1 whole square and minus 1. Just simplify now. F minus 1, where is f minus 1? 0, we have already got it. 0 minus f, what's the result in the bracket? Is minus 2, which we need to find. We have to find this now. And minus 1 square is plus is 3, and minus is plus 5. This is minus, so make it positive, shifting in right hand side. So f minus 2 is becoming positive, and 3 plus 5 is 8. When we move it left hand side, it's coming minus 8. So it means when I substitute minus 2, the result is coming, the remainder is coming minus 8. Yes, we have done it. Because the question is required here, you can see we required 8 is the remainder when divided by this, we have proved. Okay, now we have one more value. We have one more value, which is f of minus 2 is coming 8 minus 8, and we have done it. We have three values, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's see. Next part. Next part, they're asking about, okay, they're asking, find what is the remainder when fx is divided by x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1. X minus 1 equal to 0, x equals to 1. So f of 1 we need to find. Okay, I want to find f of 1. Just check it out. In this equation, if I write f of minus 1 here, so minus 1 and minus, oh sorry, f of 1. If I write f of 1 here, this will become 1 minus 1 is 0. Oh, that's good. So I can write direct x, put x is equals to 1 in this equation. So f of 1 minus f of 1 minus 1 is equals to 3 times 1 square minus 5, 1. F of 1 we need to find. And f of 0 we know. F of 0 is 0. And this is 3 and this is minus 5. So f of 1 is required. F of 0 is 0. This is 3 minus is minus 2. So we got the first part and the remainder is minus 2. We have done the first part to find the remainder. The first thing we have done, that's how we can find like f of 0, f of minus 1, f of minus 2. So I would like to write everything once again in proper way, that what we know and what we have to find. Okay, the f of 0 is 0. The f of -1 is 0. The f of -2 is -8. And we got one more thing, f of 1 is equals to -2. So remember, these are the values of x and the other values y. Okay, let's see. The next part, to find the equation. Let's see. So for equation, I have already just written one equation uh, here, that f of x is equals to x and ax squared plus bx and plus c. Why we have this equation? Because x is already a factor. This is given in the question. You can see this is given the question, has a factor x. So x is the factor, so I'm writing here. Now, we need to find the equation now. This is our target now. So, first of all, uh, I will use this first. In the given equation, in this equation, I will write -1 and -1. Then wherever we have x, I will write -1, like a -1 squared plus b -1 and plus c. And this way we can, like, this is -1. When we simplify this, is coming a minus b and plus c. So it's coming finally minus a plus b and minus c, and f of -1 is equal to 0. So this is your first equation. Equation number 2 from this part. I will substitute now -2 in this original equation. So when I substitute -2, I'm doing little bit directly. -2 squared is plus 4a. And when I substitute -2 is coming -2b and plus c. And this minus f of -2 equals to -8. I will write -8 is equals to -2 4a minus 2b and plus c. I can shift this 2 in left hand side, minus minus cancel out, is coming only 4 is equal to 4a minus 2b and plus c. This is equation number 2. Now moving to equation number 3, because we have to do now simultaneous equation, and like 3 equations are also possible in simultaneous. So 3 variables and 3 equations. I will use f1. So f1. So f1, when I substitute in this equation, is coming 1. And I'm doing directly 1 square is 1a plus b is then 1 and c. And f of 1 is equals to 2, -2. So -2 is equals to a plus b plus c. And this is the third equation. Now just we need to do what? Simultaneous equations. Equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. Now how we can do it simultaneously? Just let's see. If I take equation number 1, minus a plus b and minus c equal to 0, equation 1, and equation number 3, like a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c is equals to -2, and I add both the equations, then what will happen? This and this will cancel out, is coming 2b is equals to -2 and b is coming -1. Remember, we are finding equation and we need to find a, b and c. B we have -1. Now I want to move to find b we have done. I want to use the value of b, put the value of b in equation number, definitely we have used 1 and 3, so equation number 2 in equation number 2. So 4 is equals to 4a minus 2 times minus 1 and plus c. So is coming 4 is equals to 4a minus minus is plus 2 and plus c. So it's coming 4a plus c is equals to 2, and I think so we can, a and c is there, so we can put this equation like c is equals to 2 minus 4a in equation number, I think so equation 1 we can use. So now equation 1 will become, and remember we have to put the value of b also. So 0 is equals to minus a plus b is minus 1 and c is, I'm writing 1 second, in equation number 1. 0 is equals to minus a, b is minus 1 and c is 2 minus 4a. We got it from here. Now, can we find a? Because there is only a. 0 is equals to minus a minus 1 minus 2 plus 4a. 4a and this a is 3a. So, 3a minus 3 equal to 0 and a is coming 1. Good. A is coming 1. So, I'm writing here that a is coming 1 and b is coming minus 1. Now, we need c. To find c, I think so the value of a and b we can substitute in this equation number 3. Yes, here. Minus 2 is equals to a is 1, b is minus 1, c we need to find. So minus 2, this is cancelled out, c is coming minus 2. So c is coming minus 2. Now, what's the equation now? Equation means I have to put all these values of a, b and c, and you can get the equation. So equation is coming f of x is equals to x, this equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, and I have to write all the values of a, b and c. A is 1, so I write 1 x squared, only x squared. B is minus 1, so minus x, and c is minus 2. When you multiply this, you will get the cubic equation, x cubed minus x squared minus 2x, and we have done our answer. So when we check the answer, so answer of 28 is minus 2 was the remainder, x cubed minus x squared minus 2x, x cubed minus x squared minus 2x, and we have done it perfectly. We can again check the answer, x cubed minus x squared minus 2x, and we have done it. So once again, thank you so much, the zero semester students who are watching my video once again, and have a nice day.